If you ever stared at a blank screen, wondering what to write for your caption, your post, your ad, then this channel is for you. Solify is all about helping entrepreneurs, small business, and creators to write content that actually converts. So without wasting much time, let's go to our Google Chrome, then search Solify GH, not Vessel. So here is the app. Let's click on open. So here is our interface or Solify Ghana. Now we are about to write a content or a caption here, in which this our caption here will generate a selling package to enable us to write content for our WhatsApp or for our social media platform. So what are you selling? So maybe I'm selling handmade premium handwoven kente mafa from Kumasi, from graduation and weddings, high quality. Now let's generate our selling package to see what comes next. So as we are waiting, let's see. Now here is the header: the authentic handwoven Kumasi kente mafa premium graduation and wedding. Now let me hide the brightness. Okay, now here is the core blueprint. Here is an overview of how we want our product caption to be. So elevate your traditional look with our masterfully handwoven kente mufflers, crafted by the finest artisans in Kumasi. So after generating a selling package, it will generate price in Ghanaian cedis. As you see, it has generated and has given a range of 150 Ghana cedis to 450 Ghana cedis, and it has categorized the engine product to fashion and accessories, because we all know kente some of because our caption was kente for graduation and weddings. So basically it's fashion and accessories. So here's our core blueprint of how we want to make our customers be in line with our product. And if you want our customers to be in urgent, or we want our caption to be in an urgency manner, limited stock available for this session, only 12 pieces remaining in our current collection. So we can also use this one as a guideline to follow to make our marketing about business. Now let's go to audience and SEO. Now this audience and SEO are people we want to target or market or outreach our product to. Now let's see the prescriber and demographic target. Now look at the people we are targeting: university students preparing for graduation, wedding guests seeking authentic cultural accessories, and gift givers looking for premium and high value Ghanaian keepsakes. So these are the audience or the target people we can target, especially when we want to product. So we can actually purchase or influence our product through university students, and it can also make sense and really make sure our product actually make more exhibition. Now let's look at hashtags. Now these hashtags are things or search engines where people search. Imagine people search for kente in Ghana. It can pop up your product, especially when it's social media handle. So these are hashtags you can use for our product to make sure our product gets reached to customers. So authentic kente Ghana. So if someone searches kente Ghana, it will come to our social media. Someone search Kumasi handwoven kente, it can pop our social media. So these are hashtags that actually makes our product pops up or stand out from the very best. Now let's go to interactive channels. Now these are social media handles we can actually share our products through: WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook. So now these are various catalogs or overview of how we want our product to be when we want to share to WhatsApp or WhatsApp dialogue. Now look, here is how we want to write our caption for people or our friends in our WhatsApp. You can elevate your style with your premium hand-woven Kumasi Kente mufflers, perfect for graduation and weddings. Reply yes to see our current collection. So you can copy here, then you click on the WhatsApp here, so you can share to a particular customer who wants your product, or you can even share to your various statuses to outreach your audience. Now let's come to here. Here's our Instagram overview of how we want our caption to be. Now we have fashion and accessories, authentic hand-woven Kumasi Kente muffler, premium graduation and wedding. Now it has set price 150 to 450. So you can actually use or set your own price and make sure you can also get at least some amount of the money left as your remaining money. So here is the Ghana cedis price 150 to 450. Now here is the caption, so you can check the caption. The caption is very oriented, so it will generate an Instagram lookalike, and we can copy this caption and we can also share it on Instagram at the same time on Facebook. Now maybe there will be people asking you of product, or there will be a lot of information about your product. Okay, how was your product this? How is your product this? Now this is sales crashing. Now people might ask, is this render hand woven kente or machine printed? So one thing about this AI will actually predict the type of question people will ask about your product. So the moment they ask, you can actually come here, copy this direct and paste it for the person to see. Now with the colors fade after washing, we will use premium grade color fast dress, specifically selected to ensure the vibrancy lasts for generations. So these are various things people can ask about your products. Now this AI will actually predict how you want your product, or people demand your product to be. You can copy all these, then paste on your WhatsApp statuses or social media, and this is making a lot of money, and a lot of Ghanaian users have been using it for making marketing. So you don't need to go to school to learn marketing or whatever. This AI will actually generate a selling package, at the same time help your product to be marketed and outreach audience on social media. I guess you like this, so I'll put the AI on my description box so you can use it for free, and you can use it for first 3 trials. And now here is what you can do to make money. Now I made my first 500 cedis using Sellify GH Ghana. Now let's show how you can use it to make money. Now we all know this is a social media caption for Ghanaian small business. Now let's type social media captions for Ghanaian small business. And maybe because this is an AI, we wouldn't maybe charge as many as we want to charge. So maybe let's do it 100 ready to post captions for WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook. Now, social media captions for Ghanaian small business, 100 ready to post captions for Instagram, WhatsApp, and Facebook. You can use this as a home marketer. Now, because of this one, you can pronounce your name as a genuine marketing engineer using the Sellify AI because it can already polish your English and make your caption. Now let's generate our selling package to see the price you want to set. Now let's see. Now this is our generation of pic. Now you all know, once you want to generate this one as a whole package, this whole package goes for 50 Ghana cedis. Because the moment you generate 3 selling package, it will hit a limit unless you pay 50 Ghana cedis for genuinely your own AI you can use as a product of marketing. Now let's look at the price. They set the price to 50 Ghana cedis. So once you purchase this AI for 50 Ghana cedis, you can set your price for 100 Ghana cedis or 120 Ghana cedis for actually 70 cedis profits. Now these are what a lot of people are using it to make money. Now 100 plus ready to go social media captions. Now if you want to make this whole website or this whole AI as a marketing, look at the core blueprints we will follow, or the guidelines we will follow to make sure our content is being genuine. Now, struggling to write captions that actually bring in daily sales, the premium pack 100 pre-written, highly converting social media template is tailored specifically for the Ghanaian market to turn your favorites into paying customers. Download your copy today and never stress about what to post on WhatsApp, Instagram, or Facebook again. Now, if you want your customers to buy this particular AI immediately, you can copy this, or this 60% discount is only valid for the next 50 business owners who download it today. Now, let's look at the kind of audience you can target. Now, you can, those who are into Ghana business and those who are into marketing, those who post their product on Instagram, social media caption, you can all paste or copy all these tags on your social media handle. The moment you post them, it stand out alone when people want to search a product about a particular or the particular information about your product. Now it will give, as we already explained. So these are what people can use to be making money, and a lot of people are using it to make money. Now, maybe let's especially ginger some logo juice, freshly brewed hibiscus tea with strong onion ginger. Now let's see our package. Now look at how it has generated our sell. Now Asanka Premium Organic Ginger and Unisulu 500 ml. Now there is massive surge in demand across Ghana for organic immune boosting local drink as customer shifts away from carbonated sodas toward natural wellness alternative. Now this is the category of beverages we want to post for our social media handles. So we can post this as a header or as a title, then we briefing this information alongside it to make our content stand genuine. Now we can set our price 15 cedis to 25 cedis. Now, based on the particular product or the particular sub-logo kind of value we want to sell, we can set our price to 15 Ghana cedis to 25 cedis. And one thing about this AI basically scans the markets and genuinely sets a real price for our particular product. Now, if you want to buy this sub-logo, which kind of audience can we target? Now, these are the audience you can target. These are interactive channels, as we've already explained, and this is how Saleify Ghana GH actually works. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.